So here they are. Here's our butterflies.
That's Cookie. That's what. That's Dix, and that's Pom Pom.
You get all that, and we're going outside this morning to release them. So try to get them there. Whoop, there you go. So we've raised them from caterpillars.
Yes,
And
we
then we're in
did.
the chrysalis stage, and here's Miss Sarah.
We every day when we were in here, I was going to cross and I look at this way, and I was look, and we looked.
Oh, and there's our cat.
Whoa.
This is Kyle. Wait, leave him here.
Carter,
He's okay.
we don't want him to knock it off again.
No, we don't. So Kyle knocked it off right after they had become butterflies. So he's
Watching them.
Yep.
Let's go down, Dale. Can you load them?
All right, we're gonna go out and release them now. Say bye, Kyle.
I think Kyle wants to come, but we don't.
Okay, so now we're outside, and as you see, the grass isn't cut. And our garden's not even hooked up. We just moved in here this winter, and this will be our flower garden. And we're hoping to have butterflies. Sarah's opening the net.
Let's put down.
So hold on. Oh, here goes one. He's going to get ready to go. Oh, there they go.
Bye.
Flying around.
They look kind of crazy.
Wait. Let's see if I can get one on my hand.
Come on. Don't kill them.
I'm not going to kill them.
That's Cookie who's lying around, guys. That's my hand.
Come on.
I get them?
There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, there it goes.
Can I get one on my hand?
There's the butterfly we raised.
Come on.
Let's get another one.
I'm gonna get this one.
Here, let me hold this up. Okay.
I yelled.
You're scared. Lord, did we lose another one? Oh. Here, get that stuff out of there. As we smush butterflies. Here, I'll get them. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
There it goes. Up. This one landed on the grass, so we got to be careful stepping.
Where's it land?
Right there. He's right here. See him? Oh, I lost him. Up, there he goes. Fly away.
I'll put orange and that over there.
Okay, have you had fun raising butterflies?
Yeah. We're gonna get more of them.
We're gonna get more because
And when we open that box, we take a video of it, right?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, look how pretty.
Down me when it was about a lot. That one we on a level. Look how
Yeah.
Let's go load them.
Let's go show them. Okay, there's the other one still on the ground. And where'd this one go?
Hold it back there.
Okay.
That one.
Oh, you see it? Yep. Okay, let me see if I can't.
Very carefully.
There
Yeah.
it goes.
There it is. Bye.
Oh, over the fence. One more. Careful, where's that other one at?
I didn't know it was.
And then the last one.
There it is.
There it is.
Come on,
Let's
guys.
see if this one will come on its own.
But that's that's a mommy one.
Is this the mummy one? This I think is the...
Come on. I'm ready.
There it goes.
Bye.
Wow!
That's it. Well,
That's it.
here's the butterfly net. You have to order it because
You have to order it from insectlore.com.
Well, it's little, a caterpillar, and it's in a cup. You can move it until they get bigger and bigger. They poop, and you take your lid off, move it very slowly to this net, and then you have to wait like a couple of days where it can hatch until it hatches. But when you want to order more, you have to get to that.com and you want to order ladybug. We don't know how ladybug will be. Well, we order that. Well, we will order more, and this will be right in the box. And look what they're out here. I'm going to get these. There they are.
Very nice.
And then let's put them outside. This is a bull weedle. They can be here. And see that one.
Yeah, don't step on them. Is the other one still up here? No, it flew away.
And then we never clean this out.
Well, we're going to.
Look at that one.
I know, we're going to. So, okay, tell them bye.
Bye. These are weeds.
These are our weeds. All right, thanks for watching the We Have a Cat show.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye.